Good evening, everyone. Today I'll start with trigonometry. Some of the sums of trigonometry. Thereafter, I'll go for exercise 3.3. Let one sum is there in trigonometry. Prove that tan 3x tan 2x tan x equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. Now, if you are getting a sum like this, the 3x is there, 3x equal to 2x plus x. So, right, we know 3x equal to 2x plus x. Take tan in both sides. Imply that tan 3x equal to tan 2x plus x. Now, we know tan alpha plus beta equal to tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. So here also we'll do tan 3x equal to tan, this 2x comes for alpha and x comes for beta. So tan 2x plus tan x upon 1 minus tan 2x tan x. Now cross multiply it. What we get? Tan 3x minus tan 3x tan 2x tan x. This gives equal to tan 2x plus tan x. This is very important sum. We can write it. Take this term right side and this all thing left side. Tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x equal to tan 3x tan 2x tan x. So it can be written as, therefore, tan 3x tan 2x tan x equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. Hence proved. So this is very important sum. What we did? We did, since it is given tan 3x, it consists of tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x. So we'll go for identity 3x equal to 2x, then tan 3x equal to tan, taking tan in both sides, tan 2x plus x, and now you deduce the identity tan alpha plus beta and you will find it. Now let us start with exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3. Question number 1. They are asking, prove that sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 plus minus tan square pi by 4. Sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 equal to 1 by 2. Let us start with LHS. Now LHS equal to sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. Sine square pi by 6. Sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2 whole square plus cos pi by 3 again 1 by 2 whole square, and tan pi by 4 is 1 square. That gives you 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. This is equal to minus 1. So it gives 1 by 2 minus 1, that equal to minus 1 by 2 equal to RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Next question is to prove 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 equal to 3 by 2. Let us start with LHS again. LHS 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 and cos square pi by 3. This is 2 sine square pi by 6 is into 1 by 2 whole square plus cosec 7 pi by 6. So you have to reduce it into acute angle. How will you find? Cosec square pi plus pi by 6. That gives you, and cos square 3 pi by 3. This is 2 into 1 by 4 plus cosec pi plus pi by 6. It comes in third quadrant. Third quadrant cosec is negative. So you write minus cosec pi by 6 whole square into cos square pi by 3. That gives you 1 by 2. This is cosec whole square, that is plus pi by cosec pi by 6 is 2. So minus 2 whole square into this is 1 by 2 whole square again. That gives you 1 by 2 plus 4 into 1 by 4. That gives you 1 by 2 plus 1. That is 3 by 2 equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. So in this case, you have to see it is more than acute angle. So you have to convert it into acute angle. Then you shorten the problem. Always, whenever you are getting the any sum like this, the angle is more than your 90 degree. Then you convert it into lower angle, bring it into acute angle, and then you can do it very easily. Now let us start with question 3. It is cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 equal to 6. LHS equal to cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6. Now cosec cot pi by 6 is root 3 whole square. Now again I had told you, if it is more than acute angle, then convert it into first acute angle. How? Cosec pi minus pi by 6. It is 5 pi by 6 plus 3 1 by root 3 whole square. This gives you 3 plus cosec pi minus pi by 6. It comes in second quadrant. Second quadrant cosec is positive. So it comes cosec pi by 6 plus 3 into 1 by 3. 3 cancel. 3 plus this is 2 plus 1 equal to 6 equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Now next question is question 4. 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3 equal to 10. So let us start with LHS again. 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3. Now again I had told you this is more than acute angle. So convert it into acute angle. How? 2 sin square pi minus pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4. 2 into 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 square plus 2 sec square pi by 3 into 2 square. That gives you 2 sin square pi by 4. Sin pi minus pi by 4. It is coming in second quadrant. Second quadrant sign is negative. And since it's even since it is integral multiple of pi, so pi minus pi by 4 is sin pi by 4. This gives you 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 4. That gives you 2 into 1 by root 2 whole square. Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 plus 1 plus 8. That gives you 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 8. 2 cancel. 1 plus 1 plus 8 equal to 10. Therefore, equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. You have to find out the value of sin 75 degree. Sin 75 degree we can find out sin 45 degree plus 30 degree. Now we know sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Here we write sin 45 degree into cos 30 degree plus cos 45 degree into sin 30 degree. Now sin 45 degree 1 by root 2 and cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Similarly, cos 45 is 1 by root 2 and sin 30 is 1 by 2. So what is LCM here? What do we get? Root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. 2 root 2 is LCM. We get root 3 plus 1. Therefore, sin 75 degree equal to what we got? Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Next is tan 15 degree. Now we don't know the value of exact value of tan 15, so we have to calculate. To calculate tan 15 degree, we can write tan 45 degree minus 30 degree. That is, we know tan A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. This is the identity we will use here. So what I got, tan 45 degree minus tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan 45 degree tan 30 degree. Tan 45 degree is 1, this is 1 by root 3. 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. Now root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 divided by root 3 plus 1 upon root 3. Root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 into root 3 by root 3 plus 1. This root 3 cancel. What I got? That equal to root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Rationalize it. Root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1. What I get? 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1. That gives 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Take 2 common. 2 minus root 3 upon 2. That is 2 minus root 3. Therefore, tan 15 degree equal to 2 minus root 3. With this, I am ending this topic. I will continue with this exercise in the next video. If you like my video, please subscribe it. Thank you very much.